Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma. In this session of TOC, we talk about grammar, type of grammar and Chomsky hierarchy. So before starting of this video, if you are watch first time my video, so please subscribe and click on bell icon for all notification of my videos. So let's start. So what is grammar? Grammar is basically set of rules used to describe the string of a language. Here four tuples of the grammar, where G is represent your grammar. So four tuples are V, T, P, S, where V represent set of variables or number of terminals. Sometimes it is also called set of states. Now it is represented as uppercase of alphabet, and T is your set of terminals. It is represented as lowercase of terminals. Now move on. P is represent your number of production rules and S is represent your starting symbol. So move on. Type of grammar. So type of grammar is also defined by Chomsky, and he gives a Chomsky hierarchy where four type of the grammar: type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 0 grammar. So starting with first grammar, type 0. Type 0 grammar is called unrestricted grammar and recursive enumerable grammar. The production rule for type 0 grammar is alpha produce beta, where alpha belong to V union T. Positive closure means combination of variable and terminals, and beta belong to V union T means combination of variable and terminal with clean closure. This grammar is arise from recursive enumerable language, and the recursive enumerable language is accepted by Turing machine. Now move on. Second type of grammar is type 1. This is called context sensitive grammar. The production rule for context sensitive grammar is alpha A delta produce delta P delta, where B is not belongs to epsilon and A produce B. It is arise from context sensitive language, and context sensitive language is accepted by linear bounded automata. Now move on. Type 2 grammar. Type 2 grammar is your context free grammar. So context free grammar is also arise from context free language, which is accepted by push down automata. And production rule of context free grammar is A produce alpha, where alpha belong to V union T star and A belong to your variable, set of variables. Now move on. Type 3 grammar. Type 3 grammar is your regular grammar, and it produce alpha or alpha B, where V belong to your V union T clean closure. It is arise from your regular language, and this is accepted by finite automata. So we know that regular language, if any language is accepted by regular, so it is also accepted by all language, because regular language is subset of CFG or context free grammar, and context free grammar is subset of context sensitive grammar, and context sensitive grammar is subset of recursive grammar. So we say that type 3 is here, type 2 is here, type 1 is present here, and type 0 is here. So after the removing on this, we say that type 3 is a subset of type 2, type 2 is subset of type 1, and type 1 is subset of type 0. So this session is end here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you. Have a nice day.